10 tips for glowing with retinol for healthy skin. Hey guys, today I'm gonna share how to use retinol if you're a teen. Retinol is like a magic ingredient in skincare, but you gotta be careful with it. Let's jump in and learn how to use it in 10 simple steps. Tip 1, know your skin type. First things first, you need to know your skin type. Are you oily, dry, or sensitive? Retinol is strong stuff, so it's good to know how your skin might react beforehand. Tip 2, start with a low dose. When you're young, stick to a low dose of retinol. Try something like 0.025% or 0.03% to start. That way, your skin won't freak out as much, and it's easier to get used to it. Tip 3, ease into it. Only use retinol one night the first week, then bump it up to 2 nights the next week. Eventually, you can use it more often, but don't rush it. Start slow. Tip 4, apply at night. Retinol can be sensitive to light, so it's best to use it at night. Just cleanse your skin and apply. In the daytime, make sure you wear sunscreen. Tip 5, follow with moisturizer. Retinol can dry your skin out, so follow up with a good moisturizer. Just something light and hydrating. This keeps your skin from getting too irritated. Tip 6, use sunscreen. Retinol makes your skin more sensitive to the sun, so be sure to wear at least SPF 30 during the day. This protects your skin from harmful UV rays. Tip 7, don't worry about clogged pores. Some people worry that retinol will clog their pores, but when used right, it actually clears and tightens your skin. Just keep an eye on how much you're using. Tip 8, keep an eye on your skin. Check your skin regularly when you're using retinol. If you see redness, dryness, or irritation, take a break for a few days. Every skin is different, so be patient. Tip 9, be patient for results. Retinol takes a little while to show results, so stick with it and be patient. You'll start to see brighter and smoother skin in a few weeks. It's worth the wait. Tip 10, don't skip daytime skincare. Retinol is great for nighttime, but don't forget your daytime skincare routine. Use a moisturizer and sunscreen in the morning. Both help keep your skin balanced. And that's it, guys. Those are the basics of using retinol when you're young.